Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today we're diving into a quick guide on how to add original audio to an Instagram post, step by step. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more helpful tips. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and create a new reel. You can do this by tapping on the plus sign at the top of the screen and selecting Reel. Step 2. Next, look for the audio option. It's located on the left-hand side of your screen where you'll see a music note icon. Tap on that to begin adding audio to your reel. Step 3. Now, import the song you want to use for your reel. You can either choose a song from Instagram's music library or use your own original audio. Tap on Import if you're adding a custom audio file from your device. Step 4. Once you've selected the audio, it will appear in the audio section of your reel. Here, you'll see the track ready for use. Step 5. To add the audio to your reel, simply tap on the Use Audio button and it will be linked to your reel. Step 6. Now it's time to get creative. Record your video while the audio is playing in the background. You can adjust the timing of the audio if you need to, but make sure to sync it with your video. Step 7. After you've recorded the video and added your audio, click on the Rename Audio option. This is where you can personalize the audio to make it truly your own. Step 8. Add a custom name for your audio. Choose something catchy or unique that fits your content. This way, your followers will easily recognize your original audio. Step 9. Finally, finalize everything and post your reel with the custom audio name. Your post is now ready to go live with your very own audio. And that's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.